everyone! Today I'm sharing some tips and tricks on how to be more happy in your life, how to experience more joy. So happiness and joy goes hand in hand with each other. Joy is one of the emotions that you experience when you're happy. So just a few little things that you can do to experience more happiness overall. You can do some exercise, you can spend some time outside in nature, you have to sleep a little bit more, pay someone a compliment, just be grateful. Those type of things make you happy. But on the other hand, joy. So joy is a deeper emotion. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to imagine yourself being happy or experiencing joy. So how do we do this? Basically, what you do is you think of some experience or some person that makes you happy, that makes you feel happy and experience joy. And then thinking of that moment and reliving the happiness and the joy in that moment, that will make you more happier. And the more you manifest this, the more you think about this happiness and this joy you felt at that stage with these people or doing these activities, it will automatically boost you to feel more positive and more happy and to experience more joy. So the second thing is, wait, we've got a little visitor. So the second one is to memorize happiness in your body. So how do we do this? So to memorize happiness in your body, it's that feeling that you get when you listen to music or when you're doing certain activities or when you're spending time with people or friends or someone that makes you happy. So that feeling that you have, the warmth, the excitement, the happiness and joy in your body, think of those moments and savor it. Take it in and think about it. So that will train your brain to bring back those feelings when you think about those opportunities, and it will make you more happy and experience more joy. How can you not be happy? How can you not be happy? Look at this. Look at this. Have you not experienced joy? So the next step is to retrain yourself to be more positive. So how do we do this? Well, basically what you do is every day you write down 3 things you're grateful for. 3 things that's positive, that is good in your life at this moment. There's lots of people that keep a gratitude journal where you write down what you're grateful for. And those type of conditioning will help you to create more positivity and will automatically make your brain look for positivity throughout your life. So number 4 is not to give life to worry. So this is when thoughts come up, thoughts that make you worry about one thing and it leads to another thing and it goes down in a spiral and you spiral down into worry. So worry just kills all the joy. So when you get a thought like that, don't manifest on this. Don't think about this thought the whole time. Just let it go. Try and do this over and over again. It takes time to condition your brain to let go of those thoughts and not to give life to them. But as soon as you get this right, the thoughts will just come in your brain and they'll go out again. So don't give life to these thoughts. Just let them be and don't let them spiral. Number 5 is to forgive yourself and to forgive others. So resentment towards other people and negativity towards other people, that consumes a lot of energy. Even if it is your right to be resentful or to be angry at that person, rather take a step back. Think about it in a more impersonal way. Think about what was the reason that this person acted this way and give a more impersonal approach to it. Forgive yourself. Don't focus on the bad things. Don't focus on where you made a mistake or things that you failed at. Rather think about positive things and the future and think about what you want the outcome of something to be. Dwell on that positive things and that joyful and happiness feeling that you had after you accomplished something, and forgive yourself. Don't hammer on the negative things. That will just create negative feelings and negative thoughts in your mind. You have positive thoughts with thinking about the future and of what you can accomplish and how you've accomplished things already. So the next point I want to touch on is to let go of the feeling of being overwhelmed or too busy. So what I mean when I say this is, when you're busy, you have no time for joy. You just rush to get everything done. But take a little mini break in between tasks. If you're done with the first one task, move on to the next one, but take a little break. Just take a breather. Just in and out, take a breath, close your eyes for a few seconds, just center yourself, feel calm, and then move on. This will help you to achieve the next task more calmly, and it will just make you feel better, and it will give you a little bit of joy in that overwhelming experience. So my last point for you guys is to focus on people's strengths, not their weaknesses. So if you think about this, if you focus on someone's shortcomings and you focus on the negative things, it obviously makes you negative. But focus on the positive things. Focus on what makes a person different, what makes a person incredible, makes them creative, makes them kind. Focus on those things in other people, and it will also make you feel more joy and be more positive and experience more happiness. So that's all my tips and tricks for you guys on how to make yourself be more positive and make yourself feel more happy and just experience more joy in your life. A little motivation for this week comes from Mary Ann Williamson. She says, "Joy is what happens when we realize how good things really are." So let yourself experience the joy. See the good things in life, experience the sunshine, don't be negative, and try to enforce more positive things in your life. It will automatically make you feel more happier, and it will give you happiness in your life. And just be kind to everyone and be grateful for what you have. I hope you guys have a lovely week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.